water, 1 package of jelly powder, half cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, bit for like a minute or two of chocolate chips. Ayan na siya, natunaw na yung ating chocolate chip. Transfer to a mold and let it cool, set aside, and cut it into small squares. 2 cups of all-purpose cream, 1 can condensed milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 cups of milk. We can add our chocolate jelly. And then our cooked tapioca pearls. Wow. We're gonna give it a good mix and then we're gonna chill and then we're ready. Look at that.